If you're thinking about buying Corvael Nattokinase after seeing bold claims online, you may want to wait just a few minutes because the supplement isn't as straightforward as the marketing makes it sound. Corvael Nattokinase is promoted as a fibrinolytic complex designed to support healthy circulation and cardiovascular wellness by using nattokinase, an enzyme originally derived from the traditional Japanese food natto. The main idea behind nattokinase is that it may help break down fibrin, a protein involved in blood clot formation, which has made it a popular ingredient in heart health supplements. Looking at the formula, the inclusion of nattokinase makes scientific sense since it has been studied for its potential effects on circulation. But it's important to understand that the available research is still limited and doesn't prove that this specific product can deliver dramatic health improvements. Results can vary significantly depending on factors like age, overall health, medications, and lifestyle. While some users report feeling satisfied with the supplement and appreciate its simple formula, others say they notice little to no difference even after using it consistently for several weeks. That's something many supplement advertisements fail to emphasize. Another point worth considering is that nattokinase is not suitable for everyone. Because it may influence blood clotting, people taking blood-thinning medications, preparing for surgery, or managing certain medical conditions should consult a healthcare professional before using it. It's also worth remembering that dietary supplements are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent disease, despite how convincing some promotional pages may sound. In terms of overall value, Corvael Nattokinase doesn't appear to be an obvious scam, but it also doesn't stand out as a miracle solution. The formula is based on an ingredient with some promising research, yet the evidence remains far from definitive and expectations should stay realistic. If you're looking for a supplement to support heart health, this product could be one option to discuss with your healthcare provider. But it shouldn't replace a healthy diet, regular exercise, or prescribed treatment. My overall verdict is that Corvael Nattokinase falls somewhere in the middle, neither an easy recommendation nor something to dismiss outright. If you decide to try it, do so with realistic expectations and make sure it's appropriate for your individual health situation.